Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our 6th class. In this video we will learn how to insert a video in a green screen. So first, we will open Capcut software. Here we will create a new project. We will click on the import button and import our green screen video. Let's import this video to use in the green screen. First, we will drag the footage which we want to replace in the timeline. Then we will import green screen video as B-roll layer. Here we will adjust this footage dimensions to original video dimensions. Let's adjust this clip length to the end of footage below. If we select the green screen clip, we will get many options on the right side here. Here we will go to cutout, and we can see the Chroma key option. We will activate this option and select the color picker to pick the green color from green screen video. Now we can adjust these two options to get our desired results. We can set strength to 12 and look if it is okay. Next, if we zoom here, we can see certain black lines. These can be adjusted by change value of shadow. We can set the shadow to 60. Now the last thing which we will do is that we will select the main footage and adjust its size to the size of green screen. This looks okay. We have successfully placed our video in green screen. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.